I'm Stu. I'm a technician here at Taylor Auto Mall. Today we're going to show you how to change your tires. With certain winter tires and certain summer tires, you might have different lock nuts. A lot of times with lock nuts, you will need a special tool to take your tires off. When taking off your tires, what you want to do is leave the vehicle on the ground while you're cracking the nuts. What you want to do is crack each nut about half a turn before you lift it up in the air. Once it's up in the air, your wheels are going to spin freely, so you won't be able to get a good traction on it, and every time you try to loosen it, it'll just keep spinning. And make sure your tire is free in the air. You can continue to take the rest of your wheel nuts off. Once you get your tire back on and all your nuts are on, what you want to do is tighten them up just snug enough till the wheel starts spinning. Once you get your vehicle down off the jack, you're going to want to go around and tighten all your wheel nuts. When tightening your wheel nuts, you want to go in a crisscross pattern. If it's a 5-bolt lug, you want to do a star pattern.